Hello children, today I will discuss proposal writing. This is very scoring topic. Only and easy also. Only there are certain things to be taken care of. So first question is, what is proposal? Proposal is a kind of a plan or suggestion which you put forward for approval or concern. Now you see on your screen first title, that is proposal for dash 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 according to the question. Then second is heading or introduction. Then third is objectives. Fourth point is list of measures. And fifth point is your submission of proposal. Okay. So I said that heading or introduction. So children, you don't write heading. You write introduction only. Now take a question. As the president of the Students' Council, you want to organize a newspaper collection program. Write a proposal stating the measures you would take for an effective outcome of the program. So children, how do you go about to write this proposal? See that first of all, you give the title. So what will be your title? Proposal for newspaper collection program. From where you are getting this title? From your question paper itself. Then you give introduction. Don't write heading. Under introduction, what you will write? We propose to organize a newspaper collection program for a month to raise funds and contribute to missionaries of charity for social welfare. Now you see again that what you have written here. First you have written what you propose to do. So what you propose to do? We propose to organize a newspaper collection program for a month. Then your reason for your proposal. First reason is you want to raise funds. Then the second reason is and you want to contribute it to missionaries for social welfare, charity purpose. So you have given here your two immediate reason. Okay, what means what you want to do? That you want to raise funds, and then what you are going to do with that fund. So two things you have written here. You see your introduction actually has your program and your reason for doing program. So two reasons, you should be very careful what you are writing. Immediate two reasons. Now next step is statement of objective. What is a statement of objective? In the statement of objective, we have to write broader reason. Why do you want to start this program at school? Why do you want to donate this to an organization? So you have something bigger in your mind. You want to inculcate certain habits in the students. You want to teach something good to students as a senior students. You have to do all these things. So your statement of objective will be like this. This program will help a student learn to contribute for social purpose. It will also inculcate values of kindness and generosity in student. So you see that just by bringing newspaper to school, they are learning what you want to achieve through your program. So in your statement of objective, you have to write two such reasons. Why you want to do it? What is the purpose you are going to achieve through this program? Thus, your statement of objective shows that why you want to do this program in your school. You could do it outside of school also. Now next is list of measures. So what are measures? Measures means certain steps you have to take so that your program become successful. As a senior student, you have taken this responsibility. You have certain measures in your mind. Now you enlist the point step by step how you are going to organize your program. A student will be told to bring old newspaper to school. As you are working in team, somebody has to take responsibility to collect all the newspapers. So second point will be like this. House captains will be responsible for collecting newspapers from the students. Now the question is where to keep all these newspapers. So you have to decide one place. So you have decided. Third point, the library may be used for storage of the collection. You see the language, maybe I have not written can be. Why? Because can be is a little rude. You want to take permission, you are giving suggestion. So you will use maybe, not can be. Next, that you have already collected the newspaper. So next step will be that you have to sell the newspaper to be sold. So fourth point is the collection of newspaper to be sold at the end of the month. Now after selling, what has come to your hand? Fund. Yes. So fifth point will be fund raised to be donated to missionaries of charity. Now everything is okay, but you need somebody is there who will supervise your program. So it's better that you make involve your teachers. So at this point also you can add program may be supervised by Mr. So and so, our SUPW teacher. So this way your list of measures over, and then you have to write your concluding sentence. We hope our proposal will be accepted. Now your proposal is done. At last you have to put your signature dash 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 XYZ, and down you will write president. Here you can see a complete picture of proposal writing. Children, I think now you all have understood how to write proposal.